Hi everyone, my name is Ednilton Santos de Oliveira, and I am a professor at a university in Amazônia, Brazil, and I am here to show this project, which base is to create animations with the Maxima software. I have been working with Maxima for more than a decade now, and I usually use it to create animations in GIF format to show to my students in my classes. I currently develop a research in how Maxima can be used to create didactic material for physics teaching, including phenomena which demand a numerical approach. So why use Maxima? Well, first, Maxima is free software, so it can be installed in any computer with no need of getting a license. This is particularly interesting for teachers in developing countries. It possesses also a package named Draw, which can generate animations from Maxima input with a few lines. Since it's a CAS, a computational algebra system, it has a very complete set of tools to deal with mathematical problems. So Maxima can drive, it can integrate, it can generate graphs in a very straightforward manner, and it has many packages to deal with numeric problems. It has also a set of programming tools which can be used to deal with more advanced problems, including the ones which need a numeric approach. So we think it's important to the educators to program their own visual ads. So you can try Maxima for free for how long you think it's necessary. Why are animations important? Well, our main objective is to generate animations in GIF format as example of various physical situations. These didactic resources can substitute static figures from books and class boards commonly used in traditional classes. They can also substitute some experiments. They can simulate phenomena which take place in very small, very big scales. They make the class more interesting, increasing the attention and participation of the students. And in combination with free software, these objects can help students of poor regions, helping to decrease in social inequalities. Developing such visual aids offers also a new perspective to the teachers on how to prepare the classes, helping them to deepen his, her, or her knowledge. Animations can also synthesize research results, so this project may also be very interesting for not only for teachers but also for researchers. Well, I am going to show you now some animations that I made with Maxima software, and I hope to convince you that this project is very interesting. So here we have the vertical motion. You can see the text of my animations are in Portuguese because I give my class in Portuguese. This is the ballistic motion, and I have put here the components of the motion. Here we have the circular motion showing the velocity and the acceleration vectors. Here we have the simple harmonic motion. Here we have the damped harmonic motion. Here we have a wave propagating in a string. Here we have a standing wave and its components. Here we have the deflection of electric particles in a region of electric field. Here we have the motion of an electric particle in a region of magnetic field. Here we have how the temperature changes in a conducting bar. And this animation is very interesting because we need to solve the heat equation numerically to generate it. Here we have the orbit on a circular orbit. And the idea of these animations is to show the Kepler laws. I use them to give a class about Kepler laws. Here we have the elliptical orbit, and this animation is very interesting because it is an example of the results of the second Kepler law. And we see that when the planet gets farther from the sun, it moves slower. And when it gets closer, it moves faster. Here we have the comparison of two orbits, circular orbits. And the idea here is to exemplify the third Kepler law. And this animation compares also two orbits, but in this case, we have a circular orbit and an elliptical orbit. And the idea is to show that orbits with the same major same axis, they have the same period. So I hope that with these animations, I have convinced you that this project is interesting. So if you are interested in learning how to generate animations with the software Maxima, please subscribe. See you in the next video.